Hi Karan.
Hi.
Firstly, welcome to Telechakka.com. So can you tell us something about the concept of Halla Bol, what the entire show is about?
Basically, Bindas Halla Bol is a show which talks about women, the women that fight back a lot of problems in the society, some being like sexual harassment, hate teasing and child abuse. So it's kind of creating an awareness, it's making women realize that you're not alone, you don't need to be silent, you need to raise your voice against things and kind of create a noise about it.
How did anchoring happen to you? What prompted you to take up anchoring?
Well, quite frankly, I started off my career with anchoring. I don't know how a lot of people don't know this, but I started off my career with a show called Star Sansar. And I have been anchoring all through my career. I've done a lot of award shows. I've hosted the IFA, I've done the Star Guild, and Star Parivar. So this is something that I've always been doing.
Okay, there are a host of anchors all across television.
Right.
So how are you going to distinguish yourself personally as an anchor?
I think it's not really me versus other anchors or other anchors versus me or what is different from all of us. I think we're anchors where it's kind of anchoring is truly our own personality that we bring across on celluloid, and it's our perspectives, our thought processes. So I think every actor or every anchor is very individualistic. So we all have our little own edge what we bring to the show.
Alright, people have seen you as a fictional character, now a realistic approach. So how excited are you?
Well, I'm very excited. I'm actually very, very excited because it's a very interesting show. And I've been wanting to be associated with something that's very interestingly, a social cause of sorts also. And I'm a part of the democracy myself, and there's a lot of issues that keep happening and we keep hearing about them. Because of that reason, I think the gaps that the government has in the society, actors and shows like this, we sort of try to make that change.
All right, and so how do you think the fans will reciprocate? What will the response be like? What do you think about that?
Well, I can only hope that the fans really watch it for a simple reason, because that's the whole idea. Somewhere or the other, we bring actors to host shows like this because actors usually have a certain sort of fan following. We bring that many eyeballs to a cause like this, and we're very persistently trying to make an effort to make that change in the society. So I can only expect and hope that the fans watch this because they're a part of the youth, and they need to understand the reason why we're trying to create this change.
Alright, a message to your fans.
चुप मत रहिए, बर्दाश्त मत करिए, get up, raise your voice and say Bindas Halla Bol.